When you see your statements, your portfolio is graphed into a really nice looking pie chart. It's beautiful. Your advisor said you have so many funds because you're diversified in order to minimize risk. You may have been led to believe that mutual funds are way safer than stocks. You have been told your beautiful pie chart will protect your assets from volatility and losses, and you'll earn a great rate of return. And to top it off, you may have been told you are only paying a total of 1% in fees. But what if what you've been told about your beautiful pie chart portfolio isn't true? How can you tell if it's not the truth? It's simple. If you lost 10, 15, or 20% in the last quarter of 2018, you probably have a lot more risk than you want. Your beautiful pie chart may not look so beautiful now, does it? If you want to learn how to turn your beautiful pie chart into a portfolio designed to reduce your risk during large stock market losses, contact us today.